Sige, one.
To the left.
To the
Then, to the right. Then,
to the right.
Wag ka.
To the right. To the right muna kayo. Ay, ako
To the right.
To the right muna kayo.
First step, to the left. Second step, to the right. To the right.
To the right.
Then, moving forward, 2 steps. Then, backward. Then, repeat. Very good, student.
Student.
Pangalan niya may S, meet. Dapat ito may iba pa. Hindi ko na alam eh. Kasi pwede.
Opo, ganun.
Pwede ganun. Ayun, isa naman magtuturo siya.
Ganon.
Ay, okay. Ay,
Sige. First step. Second step.
1, 2, 3, 4.
With matching poise.
Yan.
No, not like that.
Ew.
Sige, double.
That's not a fucking Gangnam Style.
Double. Then yung
Naging gari, ano yun? Agbayani. Anong totoong pangalan nun? Bago yung Agbayani.
Bayani.
Ayun, Bayani. Agbayani.
Bayani, gon agbayani.
You don't do that.
You don't do that
to me. Don't do that. Hindi kaya naman.
Sige lang.
Napagod na ako.
Think of something step that you will know and teach her. Sorry.
I got that on camera.
I'm so sorry. Don't do that to me.
Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Hindi kaya naman.
Dali, isip mo yung step. Yung step mo na gano'n, no?
Oo nga.
Dali. First one, you cross your like that. And then move your
Napagod na ako dun, ikaw naman. Move your pelvis.
Guluhin mo na lang ako, Dikya. Go, Jess! Come here, baby! You don't do that to me, ah! Baby! Ryan! I mean Brian Termulo, you know.
Ito naman yun, diba?
Sinumit ko ba talaga yan? Oh, teacher some steps. Some steps. My hands. Like that.
Para mag-ano lang, ha? And it's very hard.
I don't know anything. I don't dance. Okay, you can turn it off.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Uy, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.